Hello, people. Samsung has presented its own model of AI called Samsung Gauss at the Samsung AI 2023 event held at the Science and Research campus of the company in Seoul. The generative model of the South Korean company's AI is named after mathematician Carl Friedrich, who developed the law of normal distribution, the law of Gauss, which is considered the basis of AI and machine learning. Samsung Gauss is the final vision of the company in the field of generative artificial intelligence. By Samsung Research. Currently, Samsung Gauss is used by employees within the company, but soon it will become available the general public thanks to its future products. Samsung Gauss includes the language Samsung Gauss, the code Samsung Gauss, and the image Samsung. Products based on these generative AI models can be released in the coming months, and it is. That functions based on these generative AI models can be available in the Galaxy S24 series, which expected to be released in January 2024. Samsung Gauss language is a model that understands human language and generates answers. It can increase performance, helping with tasks such as compiling emails, editing and summarizing, translating from different languages and writing letters. Applicable to products, it can also be used for more intelligent device management. It can work on both cloud servers and on-end devices such as phones, tablets, and PCs. Samsung Gauss Code is a model specializing in programming languages. It has a code writing assistant called Code.ai, which will be used within the Samsung company. It is used for fast and simple software development through an interactive interface. It supports code description and creating test examples. Samsung Gauss Image allows you to easily create and edit images. It can change the style of the image, convert images with low resolution into images with high, and add elements to the existing image. Like DALL-E, it can also create completely new images using a small text description. All these models of generative AI, developed by Samsung, can work locally on a device to protect information. Samsung will most likely introduce its line of budget smartphones next year, releasing the Galaxy and Galaxy A25. A few days ago, there was information about the possible design of the Galaxy A15 and Galaxy A25. Now additional information about the Galaxy A25 has appeared in the certification documents of the Galaxy A25 5G has recently passed the FCC certification process. The number of its model, connection functions, and the ability to quickly charge is indicated in the documents. The smartphone has a model number SMA256U, which is an American version of the 5G supported. It is compatible with 11G 5G ranges in the US region. It also has other connection functions, including GPS, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC. The certification documents of the FCC also indicate that the Galaxy A25 has a slot for a microSD and supports fast charging with a power of 25W. In previous reports, it was stated that the A25 will have a 6.44-inch screen with a U-shaped. It has 3 rear cameras, including a 50-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel front camera for photos. The Galaxy A25 will be equipped with an Exynos 1280 processor, which has 2 high-performance cores. 6 energy efficient. It has up to 8 GB of RAM and will most likely run on Android 14 from the box. While the phone has already appeared in the databases of the FCC and Geekbench, it may be presented soon. In any case, people, I will keep you posted, so subscribe, turn on the bell. Thank you for watching. Good luck to everyone.